way or another, nearly all of us can most likely trace back our familial roots to the countryside. If you live in a town or a city today, it is only a matter of when your ancestors moved to urban areas from rural areas. And this means that we all, and there's really no escape from this fact, are connected to rural women. American cities were no place for livestock, headscarves, and above all, they were no place for cabbage. In fact, cabbage became #1 enemy of at least some organizations that defined their mission in terms of saving the American nation by Americanizing the immigrant mother. In every account criticizing quote, foreign vegetables, and particularly cabbage, U.S. immigration reformers suggested the immigrant women should be taught how to prepare, quote, American vegetables and American recipes. I haven't been able to identify what the American vegetables are, but I'm still looking for some information. So maybe next stop.